6FT coiled cord vehicle lighter plug for Beltronics, Escort Passport, Uniden and more radar detectors. Note: this is not the smart type cord. 2 USB ports. Charge your mobile devices while still using the radar detector. 3. 1A output USB charging provides full-speed charging for your devices. Input: DC 12V, cable output. 12V2A, max, USB output. District of Columbia 5V to 3. 1A, max. Compatibility. Replacement charger power supply for Valentine One, Escort Passport 9500i, 8500x50, Solo S2, Passport 7500s, 8500, 7500, 6800. Beltronics STi Driver, Pro RX 65, Pro RX 55, Vector 995, 965, 955, 940, Phone Style Connector, 895, and Express 795. Uniden 950 Liberian dollars radar detector and most radar detectors with RJ11 backed by a 1-year warranty from Faust Clause for peace of mind. Contact our customer service team at any time for no-hassle troubleshooting and replacement or for any questions about purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement for the money. This is a great replacement for the money. It fits and works as good if not better than the original. Plus it has 2 USB ports so I can charge more things at once.